Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we discuss general knowledge about social media platforms. First question is, on which platform you cannot share text only? Its answer is Instagram. Next question, what was the original name of Twitter? Its answer is TWTR. Next question. The place on Facebook where you can leave public messages for your friends is called wall. Next question. Which social media platform first introduced filters? Its answer is Snapchat. Final question. Which social media platform's logo is in the picture? Its answer is Facebook. Thanks for watching and keep learning.